Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel for more update, and also remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my channel content, as I am sharing the unboxing video of all the luxury items that I bought and share with you guys here. Okay, today I am wearing this Kenzo tee, which I shared the unboxing in my previous video. If you guys yet to watch it, remember to go to my channel and to watch the unboxing video. And also, today you can see from the heading, I am unboxing this Goyak, this brand from this item. Okay, I got something to share with you guys because this month is my birthday month, and I got quite a number of new unboxing video to share with you guys after this video. So remember to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any of the video, because I on my birthday month, so everybody tends to pamper yourself a bit. And for this year, my birthday month, because I got a number of items which is in my bucket list, which I try to get in this month as a gift for myself. So remember to follow on to my channel so you will not miss any of my unboxing video. Okay, today I'm doing this Goyak unboxing. If you guys yet to see my other unboxing video on my Goyak, remember to go back to my channel to watch, which I got a few items which I unboxed previously. Yes, so and today this one is a new unboxing, and you can see from this one, actually previous my unboxing video, the packaging is a bit different. It's in dark, it's in brown, but now you can see this packaging is the new packaging of Goyak, which I think is quite nice. Because it's something very special. It's gone a bit brighter. Yeah, you can see from this paper bag. Yeah, the handle is in yellow, and also this one is Goyak, is so called embossed on the paper bag with silver coloring, and also the address is being printed here on the paper bag of their address in Paris. As you all know, the Goyak is quite I would say it's this brand has been around for quite a long time. Even it's much more early, it's 1 year earlier than Louis Vuitton. So you can imagine this brand, but they always been very low profile, but nevertheless their item is really I would say it's much more expensive compared to Louis Vuitton. But because they are really special in their own way, and they are very low profile, and I don't think they have engaged anyone to be their spokesman before. Yeah, so this is how the back look like, and it's quite nice. There is a ribbon at the handle here, yellow ribbon which written Goyak here. Yeah, so without further ado, we shall start with today's unboxing. Okay. Can you guys guess what I got in this unboxing? Okay, anyway, you guys can see from the heading lah. Okay, so you guys can see is very so-called nicely wrapped up with the paper, dark yellow color, their theme, and also there is a sticker on it. Yeah. Okay, so I shall start with today's unboxing. Okay, Let me put this aside first. Okay, so this one usually I don't think Goyard do give box. So normally they come with this. This is the dust bag, how it look like. It's a yellow, and also it's come with dark brown on the drawstring bag, and the logo is dark brown in color also. Yeah, this is how it look like. Okay, so yes, so let's show you what I got for myself for my birthday. So have you guys seen this? Because I am a crush lover, and for this design I've been in my bucket list for quite a while. Yeah, I do have a lot of crush, but in this design one I do not have it. I like this is because it consider that this clutch, it can sit on itself, because normally clutch is in flat, so normally you have to put it this way, but this one I like it because you can, it's so called you can stand it on its own, so it's quite very good. If let's say you put on the table, it won't just lie down flat or anything like that. And what I got this one is a bit special. Goyard, the pricing wise, they do come in special color. This is the special color. This is the green, is the special color, which is slightly more pricier than the normal color. Normal color, which they sell it at a lower price compared to the special color, are black, and also the full black, and also the black and tan lining. Yeah, these are the basic one. But for this one, normally you have to pay at least a few hundred more for the special color. So the special color includes like yellow, blue, which is the bright blue, and also the darker blue, the gray, the white, and also the yellow, orange, etc. So if you guys are interested in the special color, you can check out their website or anything to see the other special color. Yeah, so this one is in green. To me, it's like I like this green is because when you see this green, what will you think of? To me, I will think of the watch Rolex. So because the green, Rolex, their packaging is also in green. So this color very just like exactly the same color as the Rolex green. Yeah, so this portion is quite nice. You can see this is for Goyard wise, because their monogram is so called if I'm not wrong, they is hand painted. So but I think in the recent year they have used machine to print it on already, if I'm not wrong, that my SA told me. Previously all this is all hand painted, but now they it's still painted, but they use machine to print it on, so the manufacturer is so much faster. Yeah, so this one is actually is quite simple. So the zip is just sit on the top. Okay, so later I will show you all nearer. Inside, actually there is only a side pocket behind. Oh, okay. Anyway, this is like their so-called, I think, oh, this is just their thank you card for the interest, but it's also because Goyard also do not come in authenticity card or anything like that, but they will just give you this. Yeah, so inside is just one side pocket, and the inside is in yellow, the same as this dust bag, this color, which I show you all nearer later on. So basically, to me, this is, oh yeah, and this size, this is, I got this clutch, this is in the bigger size. I think there is one more with one size smaller than this, but to me I prefer something that is bigger, so I got this. This is bigger. And also the pricing wise, of course the bigger the price will have to be more expensive. That is, I would say this clutch is considered a very expensive clutch lah to me. Yeah. Okay, and also the front, there is also one zip. To me, this front part, the pocket is like you can see it's from here till the end. So you can easily, let's say if we are using this clutch, you can easily put your handphone on the front part, so you can take it out, it's quite easy to take out your handphone or anything like that. So inside here, the portion is quite big. Definitely you can put number of things. Of course, this one I use as clutch, but as actually this one by right it should be like you go traveling, it's so called like your travel kit. You put all your accessory, your facial wash, toiletry bag. So but then to me, like this design you can use as a clutch. It's quite simple, nice and easy to match also. Yeah. And also this one is not leather. The printed, all these hand painted one is all in canvas, but it's quite, I would say, because I used their product before, it's quite easy to maintain it, and it also so-called protect with a glossy area, glossy part, so it will really protect from oily hand or etc. So for this canvas is quite easy to take care, and the rest of the part is in leather. It's carved leather. Okay, maybe I show you guys nearer so you guys can take a closer look. Okay, so this is how the print look like. Yeah, this is the side and this is the behind and this is the side. So this part is in leather here, and also this part is in leather. There's also a embossed Goyard logo over at the side here. Yep. And yes, so yeah, and so the other side, there is here, which I'm not too sure this one you can use for what. If you want, maybe you can slot a pen here if you need to sign anything. Yeah, you can put a pen here, or even you can put a back charm here if you want to. Yeah. Oh, this is the tag also come with together with this, the Goyard one. Okay, so let's take a look at inside. Inside is just, you can see it's quite huge. Yeah, it's quite huge, and also there's a side pocket here, but the side pocket is without any zip. Okay, so without any zip, it's only the zip at the front top here, then followed by the side pocket here. This side pocket does come with a zip. Okay, and also this one, the side pocket here in front is also inside is same color as the dust bag. Yep. Yeah, but below there isn't any leg on the clutch. Yeah, and all the stitching is in white color. White color stitching all around, so it's just coordinate with the canvas. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today of my birthday haul unboxing video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like my channel. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next coming video. Bye bye.